Hello, beautiful people, future me. Welcome to another programming workout of mine. And today I will be doing 5 minutes of typing as always, and PGADMIN tutorial. Okay, I can do something on that subject. So let's get started. So I will go to the next typing lesson, and here. Come on. Okay, what is the result? Didn't felt great. 6%, so just keep at it. Come on, I cannot see it disappear. I missed. And we are done with our time. So next thing will be the PGADMIN. Okay, so I do PGADMIN and start it. Stop this time, start this time, and I will also look at some PGADMIN tutorial, I guess. PGADMIN admin tutorial. Let's go. So flow tutorial, but WordPress. Okay, so maybe if I go to PGADMIN. Oh, I said AP, and I meant PG. PGADMIN. There's some documentation. PGADMIN, that looks good. Taking longer than usual. Okay, that happens. All right. Okay. So go to PGADMIN first, I guess. I'll close you for the moment. Error. The application server could not be contacted. Okay, what do I do now? Okay, so we still have it here somewhere. So I do. What did I do? What do I do? PG. No. What do I do? Try to run it again and see what happens. Tools for PostgreSQL. Can I move you? No, I can disappear you. Okay, that's not what I wanted. Now, what? Okay, maybe it will be here. Online demo, latest docs. Okay, let's do that. Getting started. Welcome to PGADMIN 4. It's the leading open source management tools for Postgres. The world's most advanced open source database. PGADMIN 4 is designed to meet the needs of both novice and experienced. Oh, look at that. That looks like it works. We will let it load and we will go through those things. So, getting started. I like providing a powerful graphical interface that simplifies the creation, maintenance, and use of database objects. Here's table of contents. There's some release notes. Okay, let's see where this will lead us. pre-compiled, pre-packaged. Installation package for are available for blah blah blah. In server deployment, the application is deployed behind web server or with VCSGI interface. And you're still loading. Oh, here we go. So maybe this one? No. So it might be this one. It looks like it works. Okay, servers. Postgre. Postgre gone. Never. And I choosing really bad music. There's a nice picture there. Oh well. So there's something. Well, so what do we say here? Precompiled desktop. I have it installed already. So this is getting started, deployment, not precompiled, user interface, menu bar, and so on. Okay, so this is where I should go further, or what is the next? Should I go here or here, or what's the thing? On the lower left, okay, so it user interface, menu bar, toolbar, and so on. This is boring. Okay, click the first one, I guess. Getting started. User interface. Where I'm at in here, I don't see. How can I tell, huh? Okay, I don't like this. Anyway, so PGADMIN supports all PostgreSQL features, from writing simple SQL queries to developing complex database. It's designed to query active database, allowing you to stay current with modifications and implementations. Features include auto detection and support of object code at runtime, a live SQL query tool with direct data editing, support for administrative queries, a syntax highlighting SQL editor, redesigned graphical interfaces, powerful management dialogues, and tools for common tasks, responsive context-sensitive behavior, supportive error messages, helpful hints, online help, and information about using PGA. Okay. When opened, the interface features menu and bar window divided into panels. The browser tree control on the left pane and the tab browser on the right pane. Okay, this is the tree and this is the tabbed thingy. Properties, statistics, dependencies. Currently 4.9, or current version is 4.16. Fuck that. Right pane, select an icon from the Quick Links panel on the dashboard, tab 2. Click Add New Server button to create server dialog to add a new server definition. Click the Configure PGADMIN button to open Preferences dialog. Yeah, so this is this is new, and here's documentation, website. Yeah, sure. I didn't get that. What I saw is this. I had two servers. Here's nothing, so maybe in dashboard. Oh, okay, so it is in the dashboard. Here I can add new server, as will be new server. Okay, so this is either hostname, address, or service must be specified. So this is probably not it. Properties. So right click works here. So there's a name without space. So maybe that was the problem. Now it is in the group servers, which is okay. So there's a background, foreground. Okay, I can do background. Can I? I cannot. This I cannot as well. Connection. Okay, some other settings. So I do cancel. And when I'm on the dashboard and I'm in here on the servers, I can add new server. And I will say this will be new server. Okay. The address of service must be specified, either hostname, address, or service. And I will create test servers. No found. Okay, connection. Local localhost. I guess this works. How did I create this one? And what are their properties? Properties. Connection is localhost. Okay, localhost 5432. Okay. Can I use the same port on everything? That's the question. So I have a connection. Looks like I can. So cancel. And I'll go here and I will add new server. And maybe can I add panel, detach panel, no, remove panel. No. How can I create a new server group? Here we go. Test servers like this, save. Okay, that works. Now I can go here to add new. Now I have here the second guy. This will be the creation test server. Okay, so it doesn't like spaces. Or maybe the connection is wrong. So let's say localhost like this. And now maybe it. Okay, so it does not have problem with spaces in name commands. This is just test of server creation. Save. Unable to connect server. No password supplier. Okay, so there's maybe more things which I need to do. And this will be... Okay, I saved the password, sure. Save. Password authentication failed. Okay, so... I guess. Okay. No. Don't save it. So now I have some server. There are some databases. Which I guess will be... Hold on. That doesn't look like I created a new one. That looks like I connected to existing one. Here I have Northwind, DVD rental, and Postgres. So something fishy in here. Okay. What if I delete it? Can I delete it? Delete drop. Are you sure to drop server creation? Yes. And it's gone. And this one is still healthy. Looks like it. I connected to every single thing. So schemas, public, and tables. There are no tables apparently. Northwind, there should be many tables. Yeah, there are. Okay, so that one works. So anyway, this creates something, but it's not creating a server. It's kind of like connecting to an existing server. Or maybe it connects to one if it exists on the on that address. I don't know. I'll find out, I guess. So we are here about the PG thing. So create, click configure PGADMIN button to preferences. Okay, so we can have a look at that. So when we are here at top, we can access, and we are on the dashboard, we can go to the preferences. And there's how it looks, display, lock layout, full lock, shell system, whatever. Is there like black theme to it? It doesn't look like it. Properties. Properties, I say. Display. Show. Debug. Paths. Curator. Storage. Options. Okay, all looks... Oh, this is all of them? Oh, maybe. Okay, so I can do that, apparently. What's next? Links in the getting started panel, blah, blah, blah. Click the PostgreSQL documentation link to navigate to the documentation page. So if I do that, it will open a new window, a new tab, and it will open something, which will take forever. And that is documentation. Okay, so there's online manuals, translated, some documentation. Okay, so we got that, and we can the PGADMIN this one, that one, yeah. So if I click those, it will do something, but that's not why I'm here, right? Do next. Oh, it says it's 4.16 available, but apparently the latest one is 4.18. So menu bar. The PG menu bar provides drop-down menus for access for options, commands, and utilities. The menu bar displays the following selections: File, Object Tools, and Help. File, Object Tools, Help. Yeah. Why the tools have a star? Selection might be grayed out, which indicates they are disabled for the object currently selected in the PGADMIN tree. So if I go, well, everything here it works. So I'll close that. There are tools. Okay. Well, there are some things. I'll close you. So what here? Use file menu to access the following options. Preferences. So dialog customers PGADMIN settings, reset layout. If you have modified, reset layout, lock layout, click for locking the UI layout. This can also be changed from browser display preferences. Lock does what? File, lock layout. Oh, full lock. I guess I will find out later. I will do that. And options, change a password, clear. Okay, so this is like self-explanatory, I guess. Backup server, yeah, other explanation, which is not really useful. So I'll skip that, go to next. Menu bar, so then we will be in toolbar. How does this relate to anything on the left side? Login dialog, development, getting started, where I am at. Oh, menu bar, toolbar, here we go. It should be highlighted or something. Never mind. So, toolbar provides shortcut buttons for frequently used features like view data, query tool, which is most used in PGADMIN. This toolbar is visible on the browser panel. So if I do whatever, SQL, I guess. Oh, it's this guy over here. So this is like why I cannot do anything with it. Seems like. So if I do database, maybe I select like the Northwind, I guess. Oh, here we go. So now this one is open. And if I go to schemas, I guess I can go to tables, and now this one should be okay. Yeah, so view data. Let's do that. I click the view data button. I learned something. Hooray. Okay, so now what? Okay, so it's still selecting. And it basically just opened the query tool and pressed execute, select everything from public categories. Why is it public dot categories? Why it's not just categories? Oh, public. That's the schema name. So it is schema like public, and then the table name. All right. And we've got things in here, so I can make this bigger, I guess. I can. And here's some scratch pad. What does it mean? So I do select star from, and I will say public dot categories, and here's just to make a note, I guess. This is like note things. This is for notes, I guess. That's my guess. I don't know if it's correct. That's my guess. That's what the guess is. I don't know. Use the Query Tool button to open a query tool in a current database context. Use View Data button to view edit data stored in a selected table. Use the Filtered Rows button to access the Data Filter pop-up to apply filter to set of data viewing editing. So that's what I understand what this one does. Filter. Yes, please. Error. Column yes does not exist. Okay, so we will say description. Okay, our description does not exist, and I can see it in here. So what's happening in there? So we do cancel. We don't know yet what this one does. View data, filter rows. Okay, so we are much wiser now, and we can continue. Tabbed browser. The right pane of the PGADMIN Windows features a collection of tabs that display information about the object currently selected in the PGADMIN tree control in the left window. Select tab to access information about the highlighted object in the tree control. So here's the dashboard properties, statistics, and lots of another stuff. Uh, I don't know. A lot of text. I'm not sure if I need that. So here's something. User database Xbox tuples fetched. It just okay. That's not helping. Like tuples return displays the number of tuples returned within the last week. Okay, last week. That's one of the information. So this is some statistic, I guess. So if I go here and I go to the dashboard, it will show me database sessions. Okay, so transactions, commits, rollbacks. This is a real time per second. Database sessions, tuples in, tuples out. I don't know what the tuples are. And it looks like we have two things in here, two sessions. And that's a little bit confusing. I guess one is the PGADMIN here, and the second one is what? I don't know. I have no idea. And we reached the time limit, so I guess I call it. This was. I'm not even sure if I need this. So maybe that's why I'm not enjoying it. Anyway, we are over the time, so that means we are done. Done is better than perfect every single time. I will see you next time. Bye.